Welcome back to Tech Talk. Today, we're diving into a full review of the latest Apple MacBook Air M3. The M3 model maintains its slim, lightweight profile made from recycled aluminum, available in multiple colors, and remains highly portable. It's available in multiple colors, including the classic space gray, silver, and a new midnight blue. Two perfectly portable sizes with liquid retina display. The 13-inch model is the ultimate on-the-go laptop, and the 15-inch model gives you more space on screen for multitasking, boasting a resolution of 2560 by 1664 pixels. The colors are vibrant, with a P3 wide color gamut ensuring true-to-life visuals. The display also supports True Tone technology, which adjusts the color temperature based on your surroundings, reducing eye strain. With a peak brightness of 500 nits, this screen performs well even in bright environments, making it a joy for content creators and media consumers alike. The MacBook Air M3 is powered by Apple's latest M3 chip, which features an 8-core CPU, 10-core GPU, and a 16-core neural engine. This chip delivers a significant performance boost over its predecessor, particularly in tasks involving machine learning and graphics-intensive applications. Whether you're editing 4K videos, running multiple apps, or even dabbling in gaming, the M3 chip handles it all with ease. Paired with 8 GB or 16 GB of unified memory and up to 2 TB of SSD storage, this MacBook Air is a powerhouse in a compact form factor. Running on macOS Sonoma, the MacBook Air M3 benefits from Apple's latest software innovations. The operating system is optimized to take full advantage of the M3 chip, offering smooth multitasking and fast app launches. Features like Stage Manager, Universal Control, and Continuity Camera enhance productivity, especially if you're already invested in the Apple ecosystem. The seamless integration with iPhones, iPads, and other Apple devices makes the user experience remarkably cohesive. Battery life has always been a strong suit for the MacBook Air, and the M3 model is no exception. With the energy-efficient M3 chip, you can expect up to 18 hours of web browsing or 20 hours of video playback on a single charge. This extended battery life ensures you can work, play, or stream all day without needing to hunt for a power outlet. The MacBook Air M3 offers two Thunderbolt 4/USB 4 ports, a 3.5mm headphone jack, and MagSafe charging. While the port selection is minimal, it covers most users' needs, especially with the inclusion of Thunderbolt 4, which supports fast data transfer, external displays, and charging. For those who require additional ports, a USB-C hub might be necessary. The keyboard on the MacBook Air M3 is a delight to type on. Apple's Magic Keyboard offers a comfortable typing experience with just the right amount of key travel. The backlit keys are perfect for working in low-light conditions. The trackpad is large, responsive, and supports all the multi-touch gestures macOS users have come to love. The Force Touch trackpad adds another layer of functionality, offering pressure-sensitive controls that enhance productivity. Apple has equipped the MacBook Air M3 with a 4-speaker sound system that supports spatial audio. The speakers deliver clear, immersive sound, making it great for listening to music, watching movies, or even casual gaming. The 1080p FaceTime HD camera is a significant upgrade from previous models, providing crisp, clear video for calls and meetings. Coupled with the 3-mic array and advanced noise reduction, your voice will come through clearly even in noisy environments. Using the MacBook Air M3 is a seamless experience. The combination of the M3 chip, macOS, and the overall design makes it incredibly user-friendly. Whether you're a student, professional, or creative, the MacBook Air adapts to your needs. The lightweight design and long battery life make it ideal for working on the go, while the powerful performance ensures it can handle even demanding tasks.